Hi friends, in basics of mathematics, today concepts are mathematical operations. Mathematical operations. Today concept today concept is mathematical operations. In mathematics, there are four operations. Without these four operations, there is no math. Okay, now those operations are first addition, and their symbols also. This is the plus symbol. Okay, now next subtraction. Next, subtraction. This is the minus negative sign. Next, multiplication. Next, multiplication. Next, multiplication and their symbols. Next, division. Next, division. There are only four operations in mathematics. Those operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Without these four operations, there is no math or mathematics. Okay, now. Now I am using only two operations to solving the problems. Look at the board and observe very carefully. Using two operations. Two operations. Using first I am using two operations. Those operations addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, you are getting the series like this. Look at observe on the board. In addition and subtraction you are getting like this series, then you are going to solving this series. It will take more times and you are going to confusion. So when you are getting this kind of series, then you how to solve in short time of period. Okay, now I am going to arrange the all the positive one side and arrange the all negative one side. Okay, now arrange the all positive one side and arrange the all negative one side. Here in front of this number there is no sign, then you simply mind it that is the positive number. Okay, now positive number, then this number is take under the positive. Next, this is negative sign. Negative sign means you take under negative sign, 3584. Okay, next this is the positive, so you don't put like this. Okay, now this is the ones and tens. This is the ones, tens, hundred. I said already place values of Indian and international chart in basics in previous classes. Okay, now so you always insert the digits from right side to left side. Ones place में is 2 and in tens place 3. Next, ones place 8 and tens place 7. Next, this is the negative sign, then you put under the negative sign. Ones plus 7 and tens plus 5, 100 plus 3. Next, this is also negative, so 38 here. Next, 40. So next 40. When you are arranging like this, then you add the all positive values as well as you add the all negative values. Before this concept, you take note. Note means important point. When you are getting the all positive, then you are going to add all positive all positive values all positive values, then you should be add, but sign sign also sign also positive, sign also positive. Example, when you are getting like this, so there is no symbol I mentioned, that's why you mind that those are the positive signs. So this is the 13, 1 and 15. Every time positive sign is no need to mention, just you feel that is always positive. But negative sign you negative sign you should be mentioned every time. So next condition, these are the condition. First condition, all positive values, then you should be add but sign also positive. But all negatives, all negative values also add but sign sign be negative, sign be negative, sign be negative. Example, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, then you should be add, then you should be add but sign be negative. Okay now, next, third condition. Third condition is one positive, one positive and one negative, one positive and one negative, negative value, negative values. Then you should be, then you should be, then you should be subtract, then you should be subtract but sign b, but sign b, sign b depending upon, sign b depending upon bigger value, bigger value. Example, example I am providing here. Example, when you are getting one positive value, one negative value, you should be subtract. One positive value, one negative value, you should be subtract. Then you are getting 2, but sign be depending upon big number. In between these two numbers, big value is 58. Then I am putting sign 58. Next, when you are getting minus 70 and plus 35, one positive, one negative, one positive, one negative, you should be subtract but sign be depending upon big number. So there is no possible, then I am subtract like this. And 6, and when 6 subtract from 3, 6 is subtracted 3, then you are getting 35. Then sign, sign in between these two digits, sign is appearing in front of big digits, then you put the sign is negative. Okay now, one positive, one negative, then you go to subtract but sign be depending upon big number. In integers, when you are comparing minus 70 and plus 35, then plus 35 is big value, but I am not discussing here about the integers, just I am saying here concept of addition and subtraction. Okay, you follow the all these condition, one positive, one negative values, then you should be subtract but sign be depending upon big values. So all positive values you add b but sign also positive, all negative values also add but sign be always negative. So from here, then when you are getting positive negative positive negative series, then you are going to solving, it will be confusion and but it will be take more times. Then you arrange all positive one side, all negative one side, then add the all positive values, all the positive values 4, then you put the sign of positive. Next, you negative, all negative also you add, all negative also you add, but you put the sign, you put the sign is negative. Okay now, you observe in between these two numbers which number is appearing, don't you focus on sign negative or positive, just you focus on number. Okay now, which number is appearing big, this number is appearing big, that's why I am this number writing in top position. Next, this is small numbers, then plus ones plus 4, tens plus 3, 100 plus 4. Then now one positive, one negative, you should be go to subtract, you should be go to subtract but sign be depending upon which value is the big, then that sign will be put in front of answer. Okay now, here when you are removing this number, then again you are getting negative this much, 3545. So answer of this series, then you are getting positive negative positive negative, then answer of this series is how much? Negative, negative 3545. Okay, I hope all of you understanding how to I solve this problem. Okay now, one more thing, listen here. In mathematical operations, I am using only two operations, addition and subtraction operations, and solving the problems. Now again you are getting the series like this. Okay now, you are getting addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction. positive negative, you are getting this kind of series. Then you are solving continuously, then it will take more time. Okay, then you, and you are also getting the confusion. So you are removing the confusion to arrange the system. All positive values one side, all negative values one side. This is the negative sign. In front of there is no sign, then you feel this is the positive value, but negative value is always mentioned. So this is the negative 345, then you write under the 345. Next, this is also negative. Next, this is positive. So next, this is also positive 850. Next, this is also negative. Next, this is the positive ones plus. Next, this is negative ones plus 7, tens plus 5, 100 plus 300. Then add the all the negative values and add the all positive values. Put the positive signs, and next add the all negative values also. Okay na? Next, 11, 19, 24, 26, 2 and 8, and put the sign negative. After the adding the all negative signs, you should be put the sign. Okay na? But positive, if you need to, no need to put the sign, you just feel that is always positive. Okay na? And observe here, in between two, in between these two series, in between two numbers, which number is appearing? Don't you focus on positive or negative, just you focus on which number is appearing more. So 1628 is more. So next, minus 867. So rule, what rule? One positive, one negative, you should be subtract, but sign be depending upon big number, so you subtract. Here 12, next 6, here 5, next 7, this becomes 0, but sign in between these two sign positive values. So this series answer is how much? 761. Okay, I hope how I solved this concept. In the same manner you are also going to solve, then there is no mistake of in answer. Okay, now I am providing one problem, then you solve that problem in the same, in same way, and answer will be in comment. This problem solve and make the answer and put in comment. Okay now, next concept is previous, previous I took only two operations. I took only two operations, addition and subtraction. Now I am going to take all operations, all all operations, all operations. How many operations? Four operations. Now I am going to solve the problems on all operations. Okay now, note, note means important point. When you are going to take all operations, in that times you are following the rule of Bodmas. Okay now, when when we are going to, we are going to take all operations, all operations, all operations, then you follow, then you follow rule of Bodmas, rule of Bodmas. Okay now, then you follow rule of Bodmas. Okay now, in addition and subtraction, just arrange all positive value one side, all negative values one side. But when you are going to take all operation, you should be follow the rule of Bodmas. In meaning of Bodmas, Bodmas, B means brackets, B means, B means brackets. How many brackets there? Just this is the half brackets. This is the curl bracket, curl or flower brackets, flower brackets, curl bracket or flower brackets. Okay now. Next, square bracket. Next, square bracket. Next, in O means order of powers, order of powers. Order of powers means like this: 7, 8 power of 15, like this, order of powers. Next, D means, D means division, D means division. Next, m means multiplication. Multiplication. Next, a means addition. A means addition. Next, s means subtraction. Don't confuse. Don't confusion. You are done. B means brackets. Brackets are three types of curly brackets and square brackets. O means order of powers. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtractions. Okay now. When you are going to using these four of all operations, then you should be follow the rule of Bodmas. You mind it. Now I am going to solving the problems on Bodmas. Next. Now we are going to using the rule of Bodmas to solving the problems. To take here Bodmas. Bodmas means I explained every term just now. B means brackets, order of powers, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. Next, now take one example. Take one example. 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 36 divisible by 4, 4 half, 2 into 3 divisible by 2 minus 8. This is the one problem on Bodmas. So when in this series all operation will be there: subtraction, multiplication, addition, and division. Okay now. So in this way you are following the Bodmas rules. First solve the problems of brackets. Okay now. So in brackets also sometimes you are following rule of Bodmas. Okay now. Nobody are saying this concept. In brackets also sometimes you are following the rule of Bodmas. In brackets also you follow the rule of Bodmas. Okay now, rule of Bodmas. This is the brackets, but in these brackets there is addition and division and subtraction also, but you don't do simply. You in these brackets also you follow the rule of Bodmas. So first here brackets, in brackets you follow rule of Bodmas. So first is the division. Okay na, in these brackets you follow first division. Division means 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 36 divisible by 4 in brackets 2 into 3 divisible by 2. 3 is divisible by 2 means when we are dividing 3 is divisible by 2, then you are getting 1.5. Okay na, 1.5 minus 8. Okay na, minus 8. After division there is multiplication. Okay na, after division there is multiplication. So again you follow the multiplication. Into 2 plus 36 divisible by 4. So half, 4 half means here multiplication. 2 means 2 multiplication of 1.5, then you are getting 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. So again you solve every up to end of the brackets. So 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 36 is divisible by 4. Half, how much? Plus 3 removing minus 8. So then you are getting minus 5. So this meaning is half, meaning is minus into minus half, meaning is this is the multiplication. Okay, now again this is the following the series of Bodmas. In this series you again follow the Bodmas, means first brackets, all the brackets are closed. So next order of powers is no there. Then division. Division means here you are observe is this is the division, means 2 minus 2 plus 36. When you are divisible, 36 is divided by 4, then you are getting 9. Okay now you are getting 9, and this meaning is into. Half meaning is always into. Okay now. So again you follow over there is no division again. So next multiplication. Next multiplication means 2. Here this 2 number is multiplication. Minus 5 into 2 means minus 10 plus minus into minus, sorry, plus into minus is minus, and 9 5 ja 45. So now you are going to solve the addition or subtraction. So you are getting the here series, positive negative series, positive negative series. Then you arrange the all positive one side, arrange the all negative one side, 10 and 45. Then this is the 2 and this is the minus 55. So you take the minus 55 upside and place 2 is downside, then is the 53 negative 53. The answer of this series is negative 53. Okay, in brackets also you follow rule of Bodmas. Now I am going to give one more example. 2 plus 8 divisible by 4, this is the brackets, and 2 into 3 half. 5 minus 16 is divisible by 4 into 2 of these brackets. Okay, now this brackets. So if you are take, this is the flower bracket. So this is take flower brackets. So in brackets, first half brackets, first inside brackets, next in outside, next outside, you follow this order. So inside bracket is half brackets. In half brackets again you follow the rule of Bodmas. Here positive, negative and division. Here addition, subtraction and division and multiplication rule are with there. So in bracket also you again follow the rule of Bodmas. Many of the faculties are not teaching this concept. Okay, now don't confuse. In brackets again you follow the rule of Bodmas. So take 8 divisible by 4 half, 2 into 3. So 5 minus, when you are divisible minus 16 divisible by 4, then you are getting minus 4, and this is the into 2. Okay, now over the brackets. Next, you again the brackets, you follow the rule of Bodmas. Division is over. So next multiplication. Then you follow these two multiplication. 2 plus 8 divisible by 4 square bracket and flower bracket, 2 into 3 half, 5 minus, this is the plus 2. So minus 4 into plus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8. Next 2 plus 8, 4 brackets of 2 into 3 half. When you are removing in brackets plus 5 minus 8, then you are getting minus 3. Okay, now minus 3 in brackets you again follow, this is the multiplication. These all numbers are multiplications. Then 4 square 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6 half meaning is always, that is the multiplication. Half meaning always, that is multiplication. 4, so plus 6 into minus 3, so minus 8. This meaning is also again multiplication. This meaning also again multiplication. But don't confuse, when you are getting this kind of series, then you follow the rule of again Bodmas. Bodmas means here addition and division and multiplication. So then you follow the first division. Division means when you are divided 8 divisible by 4, then you are getting 2, and this meaning is minus in into 18. So division is over, then you again follow multiplication. After the division, multiplication. So 2 plus into minus 2 18 36. So again you are getting plus and negative. Plus and negative means minus 36 plus 2 when you are removing, then 4 and 3, in between these two numbers the negative sign is big. So answer of this series is minus 34. Minus 34. Now I am going to provide one example. You solve the in this same way and answer in comment. Solve this problem and make the answer in comment. Make the answer of this series and answer will be make in comment. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to I solve those all operation of problems. Okay, now and two operations of problems also over. Addition and subtraction, you arrange all positive values one side, all the negative values on one side. Next, Bodmas all operations, then you follow the rule of Bodmas. Okay, now next concept is mathematical identities. Mathematical identities. Mathematical identities. In mathematical identities are four types. Are four types. Mathematical identities are four types. So take positive value into positive, that answer become positive. Okay, now example 2 into 5. 2 5 ja 10, but there is in front of two digits there is no sign, then it should feel positive. This is also positive. Positive into positive is always positive, but positive value that's always you feel that is always positive value. So one negative value into negative. So example, minus 2 into 5 is equal to, but here there is no sign, then this is the positive sign. 1 positive minus 10 into one negative value, you are getting answer be negative. So 2 into minus 5 is equal to 2 5 is 10, one positive value negative value, answer be negative. Here our last condition is two are negative signs, negative into negative the answer be positive, don't confuse. So example, equal to 2 5 is 10, but positive into negative answer is negative. These are the condition identities in multiplication. These are condition in multiplication. Okay na, multiplication. Next, division also same rule, division also same rule, division also be same rule. Although two are the positive rules, two are the positive rules, then positive, one negative one positive, then answer one positive, then the answer is negative. Next, one positive one negative, then answer be negative. Next, in division two are the negatives, then this is also positive. Okay, don't confuse, whatever the applications of mathematical identities using in multiplication, those same rule also applicable in division. These four concepts are mathematical identities. So again, mathematical identities, I give one brief introduction about this concept, little bit brief introduction about the mathematical identities. Listen here, negative into negative half plus, then this answer become negative, negative into is this meaning is multiplication, negative into positive, then answer become negative. So here answer is negative into negative is answer positive. Example means minus 3 into minus 2 into plus 5, then answer be, you are observe carefully, minus 3 into negative into negative, negative into negative is sorry, negative into positive is negative, and 2 5 ja 10. Half meaning is always multiplication, half meaning always multiplication, negative into positive negative, and 2 5 is 10. Again here observe, negative into negative positive, 3 10 ja 3 10 ja 30. Okay, next, one more concept, positive into 5, positive into positive half negative, then you are getting here observe, positive into this meaning is multiplication of these two signs, positive into negative, you are getting sign negative, then your answer be positive into negative, answer be negative. So example, plus 2 into plus 3 half minus 8, then answer be 2 into positive into negative, you are getting answer negative, 3 4 3 8 ja 24, then answer again, there is no sign of two digits, then it's be positive. So positive into negative is answer negative, 2 24 ja 48, then answer be minus 48. Okay, I hope all of you understanding the meaning of half. Okay, when you are getting half plus 8, then it's be negative into positive, then answer be in negative. When you are getting this half like this, then you are getting negative into negative, the answer be positive. Okay, next concept is successor numbers or consecutive numbers. Next concept is successor or consecutive number, consecutive numbers. Successor numbers or consecutive number means, if given any numbers, write the successor number means next number. Successor number means next numbers. Consecutive or successor number means next number, next number. next number. Example, write the successor number of 98. So next number is next number becomes its successor number. Next number is 99. Okay na? Write any three successor number of, or write the three consecutive number of 7. Question, write three consecutive numbers. Three consecutive numbers of 7. So next three numbers, three consecutive numbers, or successive numbers are same. So three consecutive numbers of 7 7 are 8, 9 and 10. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Next, predecessor. Next, predecessor. Next, predecessor number. Predecessor number means last number. Predecessor number means last number or previous number. Previous number. Example, 78 predecessor number is 77. Okay, 98 predecessor number is 97. Okay, these concepts also using in further any classes. So that's why these all are the basics of mathematics. Every concept I am going to cover up in basics of mathematics. You don't miss my videos. Every day watch and improve your skills in basics of mathematics. Okay now, whatever the all basics you are big learn in mathematics, the remaining any difficult problems you can easily understand. Okay, that's why every basics are building block of any subjects. That's why I started the classes from basics. Don't miss and subscribe to my channel and follow my videos every day. You definitely become a very excellent student in mathematics. Okay, next concept is fractions. Next concept is fractions. What is the definition of fractions? Okay, what is the definition of fractions? Fractions always always written in the form of a by b, where b does not equal to 0. This is the condition where b does not equal to 0, where a by b, a means numerator, and b means denominator. Denominators. I given one condition where b does not equal to become 0. If denominator becomes 0, then that is not fraction. Okay, that is not fraction. So example of fraction, minus 7 by 5, this is also one fraction. 8 by 37, this is also one fraction. And 0 by 7, there is denominator is be something value, but numerator, but when fractions, not fraction means 87 by 0, this is not fraction, because of when you are dividing 87 by 0, when you are dividing 87 by 0, 0 is 0, 87 0 is 0, initially it is not defined, it is not defined, that's why those kind of problems, those kind of fractions are not fractions. Okay na, those kind of problems are not fractions. So 37 by 0, when the denominator becomes 0, those are not considering under the fractions. Okay, but numerator 0, this become fractions. 0 by 37, this is also one type of fractions. I already give a condition b does not equal to 0. What is here b? B is the denominator, a is the numerators. Okay, I hope. What is the definition of fraction? Fraction always written in the form of a by b form. A is the numerator, b is the denominator. Now we are discussing about type of fractions. Types of fractions. Fractions. First is proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? Proper fraction means arranging small to big. That's why numerator is always smaller than numerator always smaller always smaller than denominators. Denominators. Example is in here 3 by 8 or 87 by 180. Numerator always smaller than denominator. Numerators always smaller than denominators. These kind of fractions are proper fractions. Okay. Next, improper fraction is reverse of proper fraction. Next, improper fraction. Next, improper fraction. Improper fraction means denominators. Numerators always greater than denominators. Numerators always greater than denominators. Greater than denominators. Example 37 by 5. 37 by 5. Next 87 878 by 800. Okay na? Numerators always greater than denominators. Numerators always greater than denominators. Then those types of fraction are called improper fractions. Next, mixed fractions. Next, mixed fractions. Mixed fractions can be written given below. Mixed fractions like mixed fractions written be below forms. Below forms. Example, this is the one type of mixed fraction. This is the one type of mixed fraction. Mixed fraction can be writing like this. Mixed fraction can be writing like this. These all are the example of mixed fractions. Next, 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 like fraction. Next, like fraction. Like fraction means whose denominators are equal. Like fraction means whose denominators denominators are equal. Whose denominators are equal. Example 7 by 3, 13 by 3, next 187 by 3. These all are like fractions. Okay. Next, unlike fraction. Next, unlike fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Unlike fraction means whose denominators are different. Whose denominators are whose denominators are different. Example 37 by 5, 184 by 3, next 75 by 17, whose denominators are different. These are called unlike fraction. Like fraction means whose denominators are equal. Don't you numerators equal, denominators are equal. Don't confusion. Okay na? Next, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction means whenever given any fraction, then that fraction you take any one of number to multiply both in numerator and denominators. Equivalent fraction means any fraction given any fraction then you multiply by same number same number same number in both numerator and denominator. In that times we are calling that is equivalent fraction. Example, I given 7 by 8. So make equivalent fraction. Any two equivalent fraction means what I am doing, whatever the given fraction, I take any number, then multiplying in both numerator and denominators. 7 by 8, then I am multiplying both same numbers in numerators and denominators. So this is the multiplication of fractions. So numerators into numerators and denominators into denominators. This is the one equivalent. Next, again 7 by 8, whatever the given fractions, you should be continue with that fraction, but whatever the next numbers as to your wish, you take in your own. Okay na? So I am multiplying 6 numerators and denominators to making equivalent fraction 48 by and 42. Next, whatever the given fraction, you don't change, but taking number is always, but that number is multiply in both numerators and denominators. In that times it's become equivalent fraction. Okay na? I made three equivalent fraction of 7 by 8. Okay, I hope all of you understand whatever the concept we discussed just now, and next class, next concepts are in next videos. Okay na? Don't miss many basics of concepts I am going to teach in further videos also. That's why all of you subscribe the channel and watch the videos every day. Thank you.